Hello everyone, today we will learn Unit 12, Life on Other Planets, Lesson 2, A Close Look 2. Now let's get started. About the lesson today, we will have two big contents. The first one is learning some vocabulary related to the topic Life on Other Planets, and the second one is pronunciation. You will learn how to use intonation when making lists. Now let's look at the details. The first one, you need to finish a quiz with 5 questions. For each question, you need to answer quickly within 30 seconds. The second part, you will learn some vocabulary related to the topic Life on Other Planets, and then you will practice 3 more exercises related to that. And the next part is pronunciation. You will learn about the rules to use intonation when making some lists, and then you will practice with 2 exercises. Then we finish the lesson. First, let's do the quiz. Now look at the screen and we will learn some new vocabulary. The first one, look at the picture. Here we call it crater. Crater. Now listen and repeat. Crater. This is the meaning. The second word and phrases that you need to know is galaxy. Now listen and repeat. Galaxy. Yes, meaning. The next one is rocket. Rocket. You can know its meaning based on the image, right? Now let's look at the picture. You know what is it, right? Yeah, it's telescope. Telescope. The next one is UFO. UFO stands for Unidentified Flying Object. Now let's learn about some words about planets. The first one we have Jupiter. Jupiter. The next one is Mars. Mars with the red color, right? The next, do you know which planet is it? Yeah, it's Mercury. Mercury is a planet closest to the sun, right? Look at this picture. Blue planet, right? Do you know what planet it is? Yeah, it's Neptune. Neptune. And this one is Uranus. Uranus. The next we have Venus. Venus. Alright, and here are all the words and phrases you need to focus on in this lesson. Let's take a look. Now let's practice all the words or phrases we just learned. Move on to the first part. We all know that there are 8 planets which turn around the sun. Now let's put them in order from the closest to the farthest from the sun. The sentence will help you learn the order of the planets. My very excellent mother just served us noodles. Focus on the first letter of each word. You will find the answer. Good luck. Now let's move to practice 2. You need to match the words with the picture. The next exercise is filling in the blank with a suitable word. You need to base on the key words or based on the meaning of the sentence to choose the correct answer. Now let's move to pronunciation part. In this part, you will learn about intonation for making list. When we make a list, our voice slightly rises on the previous items and falls on the last item. Let's look at an example. The inner planets are the four planets closest to the Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. You can see that after Mercury, Venus, Earth, I'm raising my tongue. But after Mars, I falling my tongue. So remember the rule. The voice slightly rises on the previous item and fall on the last one. The second example, we've got bananas, apples, pears, and oranges. Now let's do the first practice. Listen and repeat the sentences. Pay attention to the tones of the underlined words in each sentence. The next one, listen to the conversations. Do you think the voice goes up or down on the underlined words in each second sentence? Choose the correct option, raising or falling tone on each underlined word. And we finish our lesson here. Let's summarize what we have learned in this lesson. First is identifying the topic of the unit, the life on other planets, right? The second one is learn to use the lexical items related to the outer space. Can you tell me some words in this lesson? Remember? And the last one is you learn how to use intonation for making lists correctly. Remember when apply it in daily conversation, huh? Now for your homework. At home, remember to learn the new words by heart. The next one is practice using intonation when making a list. And the last one is do the exercises in the workbook, Unit 11, Life on Other Planet. Now time to say goodbye. Thank you for your attention.